Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set the time on your Keypad mobile phone. First, you'll need to access the main menu on your device. This is usually done by pressing the center navigation key. Once in the menu, look for an icon or text labeled Settings or sometimes Tools. From there, you'll want to find the Date and Time or Clock menu to begin adjusting your phone. Now that you're in the Date and Time settings, you can begin making adjustments. Select the Set Date option and use your keypad to input the correct day, month, and year. After setting the date, move to the Set Time option. Here, you'll use the numerical keys to enter the accurate hour and minute. Remember to be precise to ensure your phone displays the correct time. Now, let's dive into the melody and rhythm. The core melody of Bad Blood primarily uses the notes B, A, G, and E. Focus on the rhythm, which includes a mix of quarter notes and eighth notes. Try practicing the opening phrase, Bia Gia BBA. The song's tempo is moderately fast, around 120 beats per minute, so start slowly and gradually increase your speed. Once you have made all your desired adjustments to the date, time zone, and display formats, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for a Save or OK button and press it to confirm. After saving, exit the Settings menu to return to your phone's main screen. Take a moment to verify that the updated date and time are now correctly displayed, ensuring your Keypad mobile is perfectly synchronized.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.